Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we are going to uncover the true story behind one of the most famous American icons, Uncle Sam. You've probably seen the image of an old man with a white beard, wearing a top hat decorated with stars, pointing directly at you. But who was Uncle Sam, and why does he represent the United States? Let's explore his fascinating history. The origin of Uncle Sam dates back to the War of 1812, a conflict between the United States and Great Britain. During this time, a meat supplier named Samuel Wilson provided barrels of beef to the U.S. Army. These barrels were stamped with the letters U.S., which stood for United States. However, soldiers started jokingly referring to the meat as coming from Uncle Sam because Samuel Wilson was a well-known and respected businessman. Over time, the nickname stuck and Uncle Sam became a symbol of the U.S. government. The image of Uncle Sam that we know today was created much later. In 1917, during World War I, an artist named James Montgomery Flagg designed a famous recruitment poster featuring Uncle Sam pointing at the viewer with the words, "I want you for U.S. Army." This poster became one of the most powerful propaganda images in American history and was widely used to encourage young men to join the military. But Uncle Sam is more than just a poster. He represents the American government, patriotism, and the spirit of national duty. Over the years, he has appeared in cartoons, advertisements, and political campaigns, always symbolizing the United States and its values. Interestingly, in 1961, the U.S. Congress officially recognized Samuel Wilson as the original inspiration for Uncle Sam. His legacy lives on, reminding Americans of their national identity and the call to serve their country. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the true story behind Uncle Sam and why he became a symbol of the United States. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.